Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jack and Emma English Podcast. Turn over a new leaf.
Great list. Now, let's have a natural conversation. Emma, what are your plans for the future?
Well, I have both short-term and long-term plans. My short-term goal is to improve my video editing skills this year, so I can make even better episodes for our podcast.
That sounds useful. What about bigger dreams?
My long-term dream is to travel to at least 10 different countries and create English learning content from beautiful places. I hope to visit Europe and Southeast Asia in the next 5 years. I'm determined to save money every month so I can make this happen.
Wow, that's ambitious. I like how you said you're determined to save money. What else are you planning?
I'd like to start my own small English coaching program online. One day, I want to help thousands of students around the world so that they can speak English confidently. I'm looking forward to seeing their progress.
You have such big dreams. I feel motivated just listening to you. Let me share my plans too. I'm planning to learn a new language, maybe Spanish, because I love traveling.
Really? Why Spanish?
Because the sky is the limit when you learn new languages. It opens so many doors. My short-term goal is to reach A2 level by the end of this year. I'm determined to practice every single day.
That's great. Do you have any career goals?
Yes, I hope to become a senior graphic designer in the next 3 years. I'd like to work on bigger international projects. To achieve that, I'm going to go the extra mile. That means I will work harder than expected and learn new design tools.
I love that idiom. Going the extra mile always brings good results. What about personal goals?
I want to turn over a new leaf in 2026, start exercising regularly, and eat healthier. I'm looking forward to feeling more energetic. And keep your eye on the prize. That's my motto. I always remind myself to stay focused on the big goal.
We both have exciting plans. Maybe we can support each other. What do you think?
Definitely. Sharing goals makes them feel more real.
Prize. It means stay focused on your main goal and don't get distracted. Keep your eye on the prize and don't give up. Keep your eye on the prize and don't give up. Example 1. When times are difficult, keep your eye on the prize.
Term goal is to. My long-term dream is to. I'm determined to. The sky is the limit.
Write your future plans in the comments below. We read every comment and love seeing your goals. Sharing